Struggling with Apple CarPlay not connecting? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll show you the fastest, easiest way to fix it using the Unlocker Plus Plus app. Let's get started. First, open the Unlocker Plus Plus app on your iPhone. This powerful tool works with all iPhone models from the latest to older ones. Next, connect your iPhone to your car. You can use Wi-Fi or a USB cable, whichever you prefer. Ensure your car's infotainment system is ready and keep the app open. Now tap the Fix Now button. That's it, just one tap. Unlocker Plus Plus will instantly start diagnosing and repairing your CarPlay connection. Wait a few seconds while the app works its magic. Yes, it's that fast. And done. Your Apple CarPlay is now fixed and ready to go. Music, maps, messages, all back at your fingertips. No stress, no waiting. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Unlocker Plus Plus application. So just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.